Okay, let's start the day. What's up, guys? Kaise ho? Hello, hope everyone is doing great. This is the first time. What is the time, bro?
It's 8:17.
Wow, both of us are ready, fresh. He took a bath at literally 7 o'clock. Good job. Are we gonna maintain this?
You're late.
Before time. You're before time. He said 7:59 as per this
I
clip.
thought this was office for you. Like all these rides, I thought this was like an office for you.
Work.
He's late to the office. Late.
My
like
office starts at 10:30, dude. After our breakfast. The What's up, guys comes after 10:30. Today it came at 8. ఇవాళ ఒక్కరోజు చేసారా? రేపు పొద్దున్న చూపిస్తా కదా క్లిప్ మళ్ళీ.
Train you.
We'll record one more
training
clip.
వల్ల చేసినా కదా. I inspired you to like wake up on time అని చెప్తారు రేపటి నుంచి. నువ్వు కూడా చేసే అదే కదా.
You didn't inspire me. I'll tell you what happened. You disturbed me. 7 a.m. he got up. फुल साउंड कर रहा बाथरूम में जाके हेयर ड्रायर शावर का साउंड देन आई हैड टू गेट अप ఈడు భయపడ్డాడు చరణ్ గడ్ లేచి ఏంట్రా సౌండ్
అన్నాడా
హెయిర్ డ్రైయర్ పడుకోబే
ఫుల్ నాయిస్ లైస్ అవుతాడు అని చేస్తాడు వెళ్ళేది ఇంకా
అవన్నీ లేచిన చేసినా కదరా అదే దానివల్ల వేసినట్టు మాట్లాడుతుంది
అరే వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ యార్ సీరియస్లీ ఐ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ దీస్ టూ పీపుల్ డూ ఎస్పెషలీ దిల్ గో ఇన్ టు ద వాష్రూమ్ దిల్ కమ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 1 hour.
Yeah, but
okay,
like
I'm
today,
exaggerating. Let's not exaggerate.
Like today, if I needed to
40
come
minutes.
out, if I needed to come out in 20 minutes, I can.
You can.
Yeah.
But 40 minutes, what do you do every day?
Instagram inspiration.
Even I do that. If we don't take the phone and go inside, we'll come in 10 minutes, I guess.
True.
If we go and sit with the phone, YouTube videos.
బాత్రూమ్ స్టార్ చైతన్య జిందాబాద్ అరే నేను హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ మించి ఎప్పుడు లేను
అరే టైం చూడరా ఇప్పుడు వెళ్తున్నాడు లైవ్ ప్రూఫ్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ద వాష్రూమ్
చలో 8:19
8:19 లెట్స్ సీ
పరిగెత్తాడు చూడు
ఇప్పుడు జల్ది వస్తాడు
పరిగెత్తాడు చూడు
hungry dude, let's go. Nice chilly weather outside. Yesterday when we checked in here, I was thinking, "Arey yaar, AC na hai, how am I going to sleep?" My wife and Naisha, they made me so used to AC. Now I can't sleep without AC. Ghar pe even in November, who puts AC yaar? My wife puts it at like 23-22 degrees, comfortable temperature. But then I got used to it. All the 5 of us were inside the room and it was getting humid and hot. And then I was searching AC kidhar hai, AC kidhar hai? There's no AC, dude. Slowly, after like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the night, it started getting very cold. Literally, I had to tell Charan, switch off the fan. Nice weather outside. Looks little bit cloudy as of now. Let's eat some breakfast and see what the day has to offer. Today I slept properly. Nice sleep. This fellow didn't get up. I would sleep for another 3 hours aram se. So I'll at least have some protein shake now. Yesterday, Zishan, I'm sorry. Lightly I did cheat. I had no other option because the lunch menu is very different here. And my grilled chicken and all that I couldn't get. They had masala chicken like I showed you yesterday, but if I have that, I'm gonna have burning sensation. So I had to live with whatever they had. Hey, what's up, people?
What's up?
Rise up and shine. We are fresh and ready, dude. What is this? 7:59. I'll be ready అన్నాడు 7:30 he's ready. ప్రతి వీడియోలో ఇది ఒక సీన్ ఉంటుంది ప్రతి ట్రిప్ లేకుండా రిప్లై చేయవేమ్రా మెసేజ్ చేస్తే ఇంకోసారి నాకు మెసేజ్ చేయరా సంగతి చేస్తా. అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి extra కేర్ఫుల్ హియర్ బికాస్ there are a lot of leeches and all types of insects. Okay, today we are going to Chembra Peak. It's around 1.5 hours from here. But the issue is, from here we have to take a jeep and go. This is the first time we parked our bike somewhere like 3 kilometers away from the resort.
Usually we're like, we want to see the bikes. Wherever we're eating, wherever we're sleeping, we want to see the bikes there.
Yeah.
Especially Shriman's is a premium bike.
Yes, why not? It's a triumph. At least the fuel sensor works.
అరే పడేరా ఒకసారి చూద్దాం
మసాలు పడ్డదరా నా బండి
రోడ్ డ్యామేజ్ అవుతుంది కానీ నీ బండి డ్యామేజ్ కాదురా
ఎవరు పాపం మా హోండా గురించి మాట్లాడరా ట్యూబ్ తో కొడతా జల్దిరా. So we're gonna take a cab from here and only thing I felt is this is a little bit expensive. 500 rupees one side.
Oh yeah.
500 rupees one side, 3 kilometers to our parking lot, and again back is another 500 rupees, so 1000 rupees up and down. This is one thing I felt it's a bit expensive.
What's up, boys? कैसे हैं लानारू?
Good boy.
Hope everyone's doing great.
Double great. Took us what? 10 minutes from there? 15 minutes. 15 minutes from upper to niche. The thing is, it shakes too much at jeep mein. I have this motion sickness problem, right? Bike पे तो I think you can save another 7 or 8 minutes आराम से. And main thing is you'll not have motion sickness. So let me put everything on the bike, gear up and let's leave. Yes, just 7.5 kilometers. Oh sorry, 33 kilometers, 1 hour 20 minutes from here. That's because of this rough terrain here. Arey yaar, proper guards hai. Already, let's roll now. Only issue is, not an issue, but there are a lot of cops standing right here, like exit gate pe. I hope they're not waiting for us. Thing is, I'm not worried about that. Thing is, I did not get my... Arey iska kya hua? I did not get my wallet. I forgot my wallet upar. And now going and getting the wallet is a task, obviously, you know, almost like 3 kilometers from here. Abhi dekho, right mein hoga hamara cops. There you go. All good. No problems. They didn't stop us. But I should have got my wallet here. Pada. You don't have pioneers still. Actually, it is hot today. I mean, morning it was very pleasant and nice. But abhi to mera gaadi kya dikha raha. 26.5 degrees already at 10:55 AM. If I'm not wrong, we'll be going to those peaks there. You can see that. Not this peak. इसके पीछे बहुत बड़ा peaks है. Huge mountains. I think that is Shemra Peak. Like I told you, we are done with these peaks and valleys and mountains, waterfalls. We didn't go to any waterfall recently, in this trip at least, but I'm not a fan of waterfalls and all that much. Unless it's like a very unique or very huge waterfall. Actually, you know, we should start at 6 o'clock. It would be amazing to ride on these roads. Okay, this is the proper road to Shemra Peak. And I'm a little bit doubtful about this place, if it's open or not, because I heard Kerala mein a lot of places, tourist places have been closed due to COVID. So I'm not sure about that, but still we wanted a ride, so yeah, let's go. Have a good ride and come back. In case it's closed, we can't help it, but at least we can ride. Oh nice, very beautiful. I think these are all tea estates or coffee estates. No, tea estates. Gives me that Munnar feels. Shemra Peak is closed as of now, end of November 2020. In case you people are coming this side, don't come here because tourists are not allowed apparently. There is some High Court order and it's closed. So we're going to some other place. The cops there suggested it's called, I don't remember the names. Anyways, after going there I'll anyway show you, so don't worry about that. Some waterfalls, but I just told you, right, I don't want to go to waterfalls, but can't help it. That's the only thing we can do right now. Charan, chaale ellahu padto mundar boy. Go back.
కాంతన్పర
వాడు ఇంకేదో చెప్పాడు. చరణ్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫాల్స్ నేమ్? Kantanpara waterfalls. We just reached. Like I told you, place is closed, so we couldn't go there. It seems there is some High Court order because of the stupid COVID. Sala COVID. We're not able to do anything here. Tourist places, half of them are closed. Anyway, this place is open. Luckily, at least we'll see something and go here. Yeah, most of us got top boxes so that we can put our helmets inside like that instead of carrying them around. Me and Suju hung them here. So this top box, hopefully no one pulls it out. Anyway, I'm due an upgrade for a helmet. Let's see if this place is so interesting. I think it's gonna be some basic waterfalls. Let's see if it's gonna impress us. Antena? Seriously? Apparently this is the waterfall. Chaitanya, it's so huge. Massive. This much of waterfall literally came in Malkajgiri during the floods. Wanna see it? Tiny waterfall. Itna sa. సుజు ఇంత పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది అనుకోలేదురా వాటర్ ఫాల్. ఇట్స్ టూ హ్యూజ్ బ్రో.
Why do you feel that you're getting disappointed staying in Wayanad?
You don't feel it.
I don't feel
It is real. Chembra Peak was really good. Unfortunately, we couldn't go there. Otherwise, I think that was really good. As far as I've seen in pictures. I think there is one more waterfall there, dude. That's a bigger one. Got most of them juicy. ఇంకొంచెం ముందుకు పోదాం 60 feet అవుతుందేమో అంటున్నాడు. Do you guys know how a disappointed face looks?
I enjoyed a lot. I had a lot of fun. Had a lot of fun. We laughed a lot.
You laughed a lot, but you didn't enjoy the falls.
No.
At Suju, with Suju.
6 inch tall falls. ఇంత ఉంది ఫాల్స్. నీ బండి అంతున్నా బాగుండేదిరా. What is the next location, bro? Oh, actually we don't know what's the next location. We're just riding now. We'll find a location where we have signal and then try to research some places. Whatever it is, we have to reach the hotel room by 3:30 at least. ఎంత ప్రశాంతంగా ఉందరా ఈ చెట్లలోకి వెళ్ళి ఆ సూర్యుడిని చూస్తుంటే. ఇక్కడ బ్లూ స్కై. బట్ ఈ వైర్లు రిస్ట్రిక్టింగ్ ఉన్నాయి మధ్యలో. ఆకలేస్తుందరా బాబు. వయనాడ్, యూ డిసప్పాయింటెడ్ అస్ అ లిటిల్ బట్ ద రైడ్ వాస్ గుడ్. సారీ. It was good. Okay, we are here at this place called Turkish Cafe. Rating seems really good. Okay, Turkish Cafe Wayanad 332 ratings, 4.3. So what food is all Turkish here? You have to check the menu, and I think today's ride is little bit of a flop. 50% hit, 50% flop. Super flop, huh? No, I think we enjoyed the ride till that peak. Thoda sa, half of it. Itna. And after that, biscuit. So Juto is very sad with the ride.
I'll make it up to it. I'll have one chicken tortilla donut.
You will make it up to it. More agale seen just give him some time. First, feeling very hungry. Let me order my food and then I'll see you guys. The tiffin box batch is here. Okay, we don't know what is the plan next. We'll just eat our lunch here. After that, sip some coffee, go back to the room. Because this is a weird hotel, we have to be there. Weird night, but we have to be there at 5 o'clock sharp.
It's not weird, right?
It's not weird. It's not weird. That's a
Remembered, it's a valid point.
It's a valid point because wild animals will come. It seems.
Bartender.
The day before it was not a valid point. It would have been fun to ride at 8 in the night.
Not bad feel ahead. Okay, what is the plan after going back? Chill in the room. Nothing much we did in Wayanad.
Push-ups.
Push up. We'll do push-ups. Leg day. Today's leg day. We need to do sit-ups. We'll do sit-ups. Actually, we're missing the gym as well. Yeah, hotel mein there is no gym.
But we might do the 3 o'clock.
This is Turkish coffee. Presentation is really nice with this cup. Only thing is taste is somehow not like coffee. A little bit bitter. I mean, coffee is usually like that, but this is little bit extra bitter, and it smells of elaichi. Works. ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అసలు ఇవాళ మనం? ఎందుకు ఇట్లా ఉన్నాం అందరం నిద్రగా? ఆఫ్టర్ వెయిట్ ఎండ్ ఇట్ ఐ డోంట్ ఈవెన్ రిమెంబర్.
Turkish cafe.
Hotel.
టర్కిష్ cafe. అరే ఇంటెలిజెంట్ బాయ్.
I know. My mom keeps saying.
వేసుకుంటున్నాడు ఏదో కొంచెం.
Self confidence అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ రా.
మెమరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రా ఫస్ట్.
నీకు అసలు లేదురా, అస్సలు లేదు.
I'll accept that. I don't. Content. We got it.
It's in a case.
The laptop full.
It's in a case.
అన్ని పడేస్తుంటావు.
Unagi.
పెట్టకరా మళ్ళీ OLX లో తక్కువ రేట్ అడుగుతాడు.
If you find a laptop which says MacBook Pro 13 inch, don't buy it. Charan just dropped it. Proof either. Video proof.
Barely any scratch అంటాడు, which is true.
Barely any scratch. We were also lazy, so tired, so sleepy. Why are we so tired? We did nothing.
How is it lazy రా? We were tired, we napped.
You didn't nap, dude. He was sleeping since 3 hours.
అచ్చా అంత డీటెయిల్ చెప్తామా? అయితే ఓకే.
Beach mein we went, had coffee, we had
అనుకున్నా.
snacks, we had coffee, we came back, we took a walk,
I wanted
and still he was.
I wanted coffee.
And then you didn't come. And his coffee is okay, very bad.
అవునా?
Tomorrow's plan is to go to Bakel. I'm not sure if you're spelling it correctly. I mean, if you're pronouncing it correctly, Bakel. Bikal.
It's a Bikal, like.
See, Bikal.
Bikal.
2 nights there, done. After that, going back to home. From
Hyderabad.
Bekal to Hyderabad, 17 hours, 45
You
minutes.
could do it, but not
No,
required.
that's too much. 855 kilometers, 17 hours, 45 minutes, continuous riding, not done.
Yes,
And we have a big surprise at home.
Oh, yeah.
And tomorrow the plan is to do the same thing. We have to get up as early as possible and leave by 8:30.
ఏమో ఇంకా నాకు నమ్మకం పోయింది. ఎందుకు ఎఫర్ట్ పెట్టాలి పొద్దున్న లేవడంలో? 10:45 బయలుదేరినాం రా. బండి ఇంజన్స్ ఆన్ 10:45.
Why?
Some people shit twice.
Some people didn't shit also.
That's okay, right? We still left.
నాకు టైం ముఖ్యం రా.
We still left.
నాకు టైం ముఖ్యం.
Some people are in the washroom like 45 minutes.
My delay was 15 minutes, not more than that.
అరే నీ ఏదో కవరిందని సమ్మన్నాను రా. నువ్వు ఎందుకు రా పర్సనల్?
What's popping, peeps?
So what Sojo, you said will work out. You made me sleep like this. Nation wants to know why don't you pick our calls or reply to our messages. I messaged you twice. 1 AM ko abhi tak you didn't reply. Now you replied.
I replied.
Now you replied.
For granted.
Serious?
We entertain him so much, he takes us for granted.
You entertain me so much. Reply.
So he's not got an answer. He's like silent.
See, this is
Just like when his tube punches.
One more thing. Yes, we understood this
It
about.
goes into battery saving mode.
And one thing about Sujan is whenever we talk about his tube puncture, he'll be suddenly shut off,
Yeah.
shut down.
He'll be like,
That's
Battery
it.
down.
Battery down. At the moment you say that, next dialogue will be
3 months.
no.
3 months.
Next time I'll get the tube.
What are you talking?
Next time I'll get my tubeless tire. I'm gonna order it right away.
Rims,
Bloody
sorry.
fuck.
And he'll not order it till the time again it punctures. And then I should only help him.
అవుటెక్స్ ఇంటెక్స్ ఏవో పెడుతూ ఉంటాడు ఇంకా tube లో. మొత్తం దాంట్లో గాలి ఉంటుంది, మొత్తం లిక్విడ్ ఉంటుంది ఇంకా.
మన పంక్చర్ తీసినప్పుడు లోపల ఇంత లిక్విడ్ ఉందండి
ఏంటి సార్ ఇదని అడిగిండంట చరణ్ ని. అది చెప్పలేదు వచ్చిండు.
మరి అంటే మా మార్కేస్ అంటాడు వాడు యూట్యూబరా. Okay, done. I think I'll end the vlog here. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did enjoy the vlog, do hit the subscribe button.
And don't
Like-
forget to hit the bell icon.
Do comment, do subscribe, do like, do share.
and
Bell icon.
if you see that Bluetooth
Bell icon.
subscribe button red, please make it grey. And if it is grey,
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth YouTube red button.
YouTube, bro. Bluetooth.
Sorry.
If you see the red button,
Performance.
gray,
Performance.
leave it like that.
10 రూపాయలు యాక్టింగ్ 10 రూపాయలు యాక్టింగ్
మా వాడి పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ నచ్చితే 1 నొక్కండి, నచ్చపోతే 2 నొక్కండి.
తప్పు చెప్తే పీక నొక్కండి.
బాయ్
Bye bye.
అస్సలు